Hey, hello everyone, welcome to PolyGridGames. In this devlog video, we are going to see how we have set up the tool systems, how we are handling various animations, how we are handling the animator, and how we have set up interactable tiles, and how we have set up tool behaviors, and much more. Let's go. So as you can see here, this is our scene, and on the player we have something called as tool equip manager. This has equipped a tool which is a tool item data, and in this tool item data we have the name, we have the icon, and we have the tool behavior. So tool behavior is nothing but a piece that answers what actually happens when this specific tool is used. The gameplay logic, the rules are completely separate from how the tool looks and sounds. So the tool behavior data is like, can I use this here? What happens if I do? The tool item data is the identity and presentation, the display name, icon, the sounds, the animation clips it is going to play. And the tool equip manager, it reads whichever tool is equipped, checks the stamina, times the animation, and calls into the behavior at the right moment. And as I said, so we have 5 behaviors. We have axe, pickaxe, shovel, sickle, and watering. The axe subscribes to the on tree chopped event. The pickaxe for the on node mined event. The shovel doesn't have anything. The sickle on harvest event, and water doesn't have any behaviors. Um, yeah. So going back to the tool equip manager, we have the equip tool. This is the tool item data, which I told, and we have 2 animation channels on the tool equip manager, which is the on tool impact animation event channel and on tool animation event channel. The on tool impact is the central frame of the entire animation, to identify at which frame the impact happened, and the animation event is for identifying when the animation frames are completed. And then we have SF, out of stamina sound, and can't use sound over here in case the stamina looks away. And we have this animation hook event. These are the event names. I'll tell you where we have to hook this up in the animation in some time. And yeah, so if we go to the data, we'll come back to this later. So you have the tool item data, and on the tile map on the grid we have something called as interactable tile. This is nothing but in the world script, we have an interactive tile map over here, and these are just debug tints. Like later we'll change it to a sprite sheet animation or rule tile or whichever works better for us. So style, and for now this is a sprite, uh, and it has flags like passable, tileable, watered, mineable, tilled, and everything. So if you see the tile palette of the interactive, we have dragged this interactive tile over here, and we have painted it here for now, for this showcase. Now moving on to the animator. This is our animator. We have 2 layers. We have the character layer and the tool overlay layer. As seen in our first video, all our animations are separate. So in case you have all the animations separate, it's best you set it up something similar to this. So these are the body animations, and these are the tool animations. So we have the idle, walk, run, all the usual stuffs, and we have any state to use tool and use tool to idle. And if you come to the inspector, these are usual. This doesn't have exit time, use tool trigger, and for the return to idle you have exit time. We've kept it 100%. I'll tell you why we've kept it 1, and exit to middle, and you have And if you go into the use tool, you have all the body animations. These are default animations. Default we have set it to X. And if you go to the tool, it's the same setup, just that this is a like animation with 0 frames, just because we want to hook the entry to a default state. And on the use tool, you have the axe animations. These are also default, and the weight is 1, and blending type is override. And now how this works, we only have one animator, we only have one use tool, but we have 5 types of tools. We have sickle, we have shovel. That's where the item data comes into picture. As you see over here, we have the, let's consider pickaxe. We have the body clips and we have the overlay clips. So we are overriding, these are the 4 directional original clips. We are overriding it to pickaxe down, up, left and right, and these are the overlay clips. And same for the shovel, same for the sickle, same we have done for the watering can, and same we have done for the axe. And if you see use sound, it's nothing but XFX variation data that has 2 clips. You have option to choose the pitch and set the volume, and the tool manager will take it upon itself to play the right track. And when it comes to the animation, for all these body clips, we have 2 events. Normally on the center and the last frame. And because our frames are very less, it should be fine. And if you go to the inspector, it listens to tool impact, and if you go to this animation, it listens to tool animation complete. And this is what we will be giving here: event name, tool impact, and event tool animation complete. And for this debug, we have not yet hooked our scripts to identify if it is equipped or not, so we'll be manually hooking stuffs for now. Yeah, so this is pickaxe. Let me just consider this as a rock. From the interactive, we choose like which cells are mineable, which cells are tileable, which cells are waterable, and all that. And in case we need fishing, all that will be managed with the interactive tile. And if you play, you can see the animation of the pickaxe playing, right? So this is for the pickaxe. Now if I switch to axe, essentially a script does it based on what you are equipping. Yeah, seems day has passed. Anyway, yeah. So this is axe. So you can see the axe animation with the sound playing. These are all just sample sounds for now. And now let's see axe. Let's see a shovel. Shovel, we have implemented a small behavior to test the interactive tile workflow. So as soon as I shovel, you can see the color changing. Eventually we would like to change it to an auto tile or something. Yeah. Because our player is two tiles long, this is creating a minor problem for us, especially with the up animation, and we will fix it. Right? Yeah. And our pickaxe axe. So this is sickle. Same. You can see sickle animations being played. And watering. So again, these are all placeholder. So what exactly happens is, based on what item is equipped, the rule manager will call the right animation events to identify the impact and animation complete. And the animation complete is used to make sure that player doesn't move when he's being play when he's in frame in between the animation. And tool impact is to identify when you want a behavior to change. We don't want to change at the first frame before water is being poured. We want to change at the center frame, right? So this is useful for that. I hope you all enjoyed this video. We have more videos to come in future. If you like this content, like and subscribe.